So in the last video with this metal, I explained that for some reason the exterior side you only had to hit 6 of the 9 pins to open it, but the interior side you had to hit 8 out of the 9 pins to open it. So I figure instead of just the quick description I gave in the last video, I would just do a demonstration, because I haven't seen very many locks where the interior is actually harder than the exterior to get open, or you have to hit more pins. It's usually the other way around. So I'm going to just use the multi-pick turning tool and the smaller multi-pick flag. I'm going to start on the left side. There's nothing. 1, 2, maybe something. 3, 1. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. Now coming over to the other side. 1, 2. Come off on something. Okay, so those feel fine. So there's 1, maybe 2, 3, 4. So there's 1. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3. Nothing. 4. Nothing. 5. Check this other side. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. That's good. One, 3, 5. I think the problem is I'm slipping off the pins and I don't have my pick exactly where it needs to be again. There we go. So I just had to go back to the back and make sure all the pins were pushed down all the way. Number 3 wasn't set, but you know, I had to, of the 9, I had to hit 3 out of the 4 on this side, 2 being a 0 set, and then I had to set all 5 on the right side to get it to open. So that's just something that I thought was weird that needed a demonstration.